So once I release the brake, notice what happens. I'm not touching the steering wheel. Here you go. There are pillars around. Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Today's video is going to be slightly different. We are driving the all new BMW X5. Now let me introduce the car a little bit. So this is the X5 xDrive 40i, which is the petrol variant. You also get a diesel, which is the 30D. And this SUV weighs around 2.2 tons. It is powered by a 3-liter straight-six engine. It's a twin-scroll turbo engine that produces around 375 bhp of power, 520 Nm of peak torque, and it comes mated to an 8-speed Steptronic gearbox. Now this gearbox is specially designed by BMW for this SUV, and आज इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे that इसका जो ऑटो पार्क असिस्ट फीचर है, जो अपने आप गाड़ी को पार्क कर देता है, how does that work and is it precise, whether it detects the parking, whether it will park or not, we will check out in this video. So first of all, what you have to do is very important, buckle up. There you go. Now it is saying that it's searching for a parking. We will start rolling the car a little bit and see if it finds a parking spot and it can actually park itself on its own. And if you're not wearing the seat belt, this will not happen. It will give you a signal saying that seat belt is required for this feature. So safety is important, so you have to put your seat belt. Okay, there you go. It has searched a parking lot, it is saying over here. So we need to select this option that says start reverse parking. And एक बार मैंने इसको select किया, मैं अपना हाथ हटा लूंगा. I'll remove my legs also. No input whatsoever from the steering wheel and the throttle or the brake. So here we go. We select this, monitor surrounding and release brake. So once I release the brake, notice what happens. I'm not touching the steering wheel. Here you go. So it's actually a pretty safe feature, and you can see over here, it is this parking spot that it has detected. There are pillars around. Again, see, no legs, no hands, it's going on its own. No brake input, I just kept my foot just in case. Okay, so here you go. Parking complete, vehicle is secured. Now this feature is not only for parking, but it remembers the way you parked it. So basically, अगर आप एक बहुत tight parking space में है and आपने reverse तो कर लिया है, लेकिन आप बाहर नहीं निकाल पा रहे हो. So again, what you can do is just simply, it will remember 50 meters and you can take the car out as well. So it remembers the parking, and it is a very, very useful feature. You can trust the car completely because there are sensors all around the car. And yeah, now we go. We have parked the car securely. It is saying over here, you can see this is the front angle, and if you want to drive off, right now there is no car, so you can just casually just drive off. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this feature on the X5, because we definitely did. And if you're at a tight parking space, especially at market areas, or if you're not being able to reverse on your own, I think this feature आपको बहुत ज़्यादा help करेगा. So if you like this feature, give it a thumbs up, and the review for the X5 will be live soon on our channel, so you can go check that out, review for the full car. Until then, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to all our social media channels. I'm Promit signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe and drive safe.